Today I'm going to share with you my method of increasing my organic reach by the thousands, which means getting more people and more eyeballs to my offer. Now, the first week that I started doing this, I received more action than the whole previous month before that. It works, and I know if it works for me, it can work for you. So that's why I wanted to share it with you today. So if you feel like you're being stuck with not getting enough traffic to your affiliate marketing offer, or you just want to take your business to the next level, then stick around. And if you're interested in creating both time and financial freedom through growing multiple streams of residual income, then subscribe to my channel because that's all we talk about here. Hi, my name's Jason, and let's dive into today's video. So the other day I was in a Zoom call with someone who purchased one of the products that I promote. I'm helping him set everything up because that's what I do. I don't just get you to buy and then leave you hanging. If you need help, I'll gladly help you out. And he was asking about traffic, and so I shared with him my method of what I'm doing for traffic, and he's like, do you have a video on that I could watch? I'm like, I've been posting videos, but I haven't actually done this yet. So today, thanks to that, here I am sharing my secrets with all of you. So what have I been doing recently that's totally changed my way of doing affiliate marketing? And more importantly, why does that matter to you? Well, it matters to you because if I can do it, you can do it. In fact, you can probably do it better. I know a lot of you have more experience, more skills than I do. And I know if it works for me, it can work for a lot of other people. So that's why I'm sharing it. Now, looking back historically, we know that a lot of physical businesses have gone under because they refuse to change their ways and refuse to adapt to their surrounding environment. Well, the same's true with today and online businesses. And if you're doing the same thing over and over and you've given it time, but it's just not working, then it might be time to switch things up, change things a little bit, and adapt so that you can strive in this business. So what is working for me? I'll tell you right now. Before I tell you, don't freak out because I'm going to explain the whole thing, and it's a lot better than what it actually sounds like. But I've been posting anywhere between 20 to 30 pieces of content per day. Let that sink in. How many pieces of content are you posting per day right now? Now compare that to 20 or 30. And now you can see why I'm getting so many eyeballs on my offer while I'm receiving so many actions, and why this week I've been able to post sales results on my Facebook page, right? And if you want that, then I will explain to you exactly how I'm able to do this every single day. And it's not as bad as you might think. Now, I will start off by saying posting 30 pieces of content per day is crazy. It sounds crazy. It is crazy. It's you've heard the saying, massive action for massive results. That's exactly what it is. So if you're not getting your results, it might be time for you to take this massive action. So what exactly am I doing? What are these 30 pieces? Because geez, a lot of you have a full-time job or you have kids. Shoot, I got kids. I can't create 30 pieces of content today. But I'll tell you exactly how I do it. But before I get there, another question I've had brought up to me is, won't you burn out? No, not really, because the method I'm going to show you requires less time than you might think, and it's going to not lead to burnout, especially if you love what you're doing. And once you get those results, you'll just want to keep doing it more and more and more because it's working. And it's not so time intensive that you'll burn out anytime soon. In fact, you might be putting in less work than what you were currently doing before. So how do I post 30 pieces of content without spending all day, every day? Simple. I said I post 30 pieces of content. I didn't say I create it, but I'm not copying anything. Everything is 100% from me. So I'll tell you exactly how I do it. I will create only 2 things a day, and then I will chop them up, repurpose them to other platforms. So all I actually do is I'll make 1 post a day and 1 video a day. And this is our video. With that 1 post, they'll go to Facebook, which includes my main Facebook, along with the J Bros Financial Freedom group and page. So Facebook is actually 3 different sections here. And then I'll post it on Instagram, and then I'll change a few words and post it into my email list. So that 1 post will actually go to about 5 different places. Next, I'll create 1 video, the one you're watching right now, and after I'm done editing it, posting it on YouTube, I'll go back and I'll chop up about 2 to 3 different sections that are about 10 to 30 seconds long, and I'll use these as reels I'll take these segments, I'll go to Canva, I'll reformat it from being horizontal view to being vertical view so that it fits. And now I have 3 short videos. You take the one long video and you switch it into 3 short videos. I will then go to my Facebook stories. I'll post one of these videos, and in Facebook stories, you can use auto caption. So everything I'm saying, the words just pop up. So I'll use the Facebook story first to create the auto caption. I'll post it, I'll save that video with the caption, and then I'll go into my Facebook Reels, my Facebook group Reels, my Facebook page Reels, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So that one reel is going to 7 different places. And then times 3, that'll be 21 places that my reel is going to. My 3 reels, 7 different places equals 21 pieces of content posted out there, plus the post, plus the video. And you can quickly see how just a few things can turn into a lot of pieces of content and a lot of eyeballs each, because each reel gets hundreds of people to see them. On my YouTube Shorts, some of my videos are getting in the thousands of now. So just think, if you post 3 videos and each video got 1,000 views, that's 3,000 videos times 7 different places. Like, you're going to get hundreds and thousands of eyeballs on your offer that you didn't have previously. So typically with my 3 reels, I'll post one in the morning, have lunch, and then after lunch sometime in early afternoon, I'll post another one. And then before I go to bed at night, I'll post another one. Now you can use automation software, or some of these have scheduling that you can schedule in advance. Use that if you want. I personally just do it as I go. Doing it in advance might be more time saving. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it that way, but I know a lot of people do try it that way. And here's a chart that shows you the layout and what goes where. As you can see, one post and one video turns into 30 pieces of content. And since I've started doing this, I've had so many people reach out to me, and the clicks on my funnels have been higher than ever, which also means that my email list is growing faster than ever. And when 90% of my content mentions residual income and HBA, which is the offer that I promote, a lot of people quickly start to associate me with residual income and HBA. So if they ever want it down the road, they know exactly where to go to, because they see my face talking about these topics multiple times every single day. They just associate them. They'll know exactly who to go to because I've been talking about this 30 times a day for 4 months straight, so it's engraved in their brain who to go to. Now, this is still a lot of work, but I hope I've broken it down enough for you to see that you can do this. Even if you have other things going on, you can still easily do this every single day and increase your reach by the thousands. So I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope you learned something new. And if you're not on multiple platforms, there's no reason not to be, because it literally just takes a couple of seconds to take the same video that you're posting on Facebook anyways onto TikTok or onto Instagram. If you did find something valuable in this video, the only thing I'm going to ask from you is to give me the like button and then subscribe if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and residual income and how to make it in your online business to grow your financial and time freedom. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.